Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm the real Keshia. So today we are going to be doing a what's in my fridge. So if you guys want to know what's in my fridge, then keep on watching. Okay, so I just came home from the grocery store and I'm gonna show you guys what's in my fridge. This is a quarantine fridge, so it actually looks a little overwhelming, but I'm gonna show you guys it today and we are gonna see all that good stuff, all that stuff that maybe should be thrown out after a week. I don't know what's in there, like I really have no idea. The back of the fridge, the drawers, like scary. Those are really scary things. So, are you guys ready? I don't know, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to see what's in my fridge? Okay, let's go. I have to show you guys. This quarantine fridge. So I got my groceries on the floor there. Okay, so let's open the fridge. You guys have to see what's in here. There's so much shit. So much fridge. It's full, guys. And if you haven't subscribed yet, like, what are you doing? And then don't forget to turn your post notifications on, so you'll be notified every single time that I post a video, because you don't want to miss out, that's for sure. I also bought groceries just now, so I have to like put them away in my fridge, and as you can see, I don't know if there's space, so I kind of just want to like clean them out, clean this shit out. Okay, so my boyfriend loves these like chicken, April 27th, May 7th. This is like a chicken salad. He loves those, and this is like Moish's famous coleslaw. He actually loves those. And we have some tzatziki. If you guys have ahova, tzatziki, so good. So we got that. Oh, we got a cottage cheese that's good until the 24th. Better eat that, or it's gonna go bad. So we have these. You think we have enough Philadelphia cream cheeses? Like, you'd think I was sponsored by them. You can sponsor me though, because we love this. Philadelphia cream cheese and bagels, like Montreal bagel, duh. April 21st expired. May 10th, April 21st, April 21st. So we're down to one Philadelphia light and herb. So Philadelphia, send us some more, because we ain't got no more original. We need the original one, okay? Keshia likes. This is going in the garbage. Actually, I put that in the recycle because it was plastic. I don't throw plastic in the garbage, so just so you know, I'm very, very conscious about that. When is this cheese good? Until April 27th. We'll keep it. That is some double cheddar cheese for lasagna. This is April 23rd. No good. Garbage. And then we have another one, July 11th. Okay, we got our good old basil avocado. I love those. These are some carrots. They're good until April 23rd. What's the date today? The 22nd? Okay, these are still good, I guess. Yeah, yeah, still good. I mean, they're still crunchy. I'm gonna eat them. Oh! Another one. August 13th. Alright. My boyfriend loves this chicken for like salads. Some hummus. May. Both expired in May. These jams are like old, so I'm gonna throw them out. We don't need old jams. We've got more jams. My boyfriend's obsessed with jams, but yeah, he doesn't eat them, so it just goes to waste. How great. He's got like 15 bottles of jam in here that he does not eat. Baking soda, but I'm not gonna throw it out because I don't have a replacement, so I'm gonna keep it in there. I'm always so interested about our milk dates. It's April 22nd and our milk is expired on it. Oof. April 5th. Do you dare me to drink this? Okay, I'm gonna drink it. I'm gonna drink it. You guys dare me to, so I'm gonna drink it. Not, ugh. It actually smells really bad. So that I'm emptying in the sink. Next, I'm just gonna stack some water bottles here on this edge, considering we have like a ton. I like it to be like somewhat organized. So that, oh, like this is boiled water that I keep for Blue in the fridge. Okay, so we really love this Pure Leaf brewed herbal iced tea, and this is the mango hibiscus. If you could hop in the van, is that okay? Love this one. We have also lemonade hibiscus. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, so we love those. Brewed tea that with flavor. This is freshly squeezed orange juice. This is some pickled herring that my boyfriend's mother made for us. This is some orange juice. We really like this orange juice. It's called Orange Maison. And it's made in Quebec. Love this one. We have like 3 bottles of it. One's almost empty. So, like that. I'm gonna put this pickled herring up here. And then freshly squeezed juices here. We're getting it, guys. We are getting it. My boyfriend has some more bow-tied pasta. Yuck, I don't eat this. But he loves it. I don't. What else do we have in here? We've got some butter chicken, because I don't know how to make that. And we got some Italian meatballs. And these are like really good. You can just keep them in the fridge. Like they're actually good until September or something. They're air sealed, so they're not going bad. I'm actually gonna put these right up here in the back. What is this? Bean and barley soup. Homemade. From the real deals. Okay. What else? Ooh, frozen ice, because you never know when you're gonna need the frozen ice water. That's obviously my boyfriend. He probably forgot it in the freezer and was like, oh shit. Some salami. Okay, so let's bring guys here for now. I always keep a bag of potatoes in the fridge because they last longer and they don't grow like more than they should. This is some lettuce that we purchased today. Our bags of apples. Look, we just shove apples in the back here. More water hidden. It's unbelievable. My boyfriend has a stack of salami. Oh, we have some pasta. May 5th. We really have to eat this ravioli stuff. See, it's like organized. Organized mess. Eggs, salamis, lettuce, and then there's apples. Some potatoes, some salami we'll put here with the potatoes. Here are some onions in a bag. Some Heineken. Some breezers. We don't like these, so we're gonna shoot them out. Okay, a Gatorade. Okay, March 29th. It's no good. You need lemon juice, some more sauce, Diana sauce. We need Delight for your coffees. I think this is our empty mayo. We don't need that. Oh, guys, I cleaned out a lot of the shit. Oh, and then we have some more like, ooh, this drawer scares me. This is thyme. We gotta throw this out. Old ass thyme, guys. Old. Oh no. Look at this. It's like a rotten tomato. Oh my god, it's so moldy. Ugh, gross. Honestly, like I used to gag. I'm just gonna throw this out. Honestly, don't know how long this has been here. Throwing this out. What else? Lemons. Oh no. Oh no, this was a lemon. Okay, so that's that. We're gonna throw these out. We're almost done. Gatorade, I feel so bad. But like you don't drink expired Gatorade like at all. Open it. pour it in the sink. Okay, now we're gonna pack away the stuff that we had to pack away. Guys, it actually looks so much more organized. Top, my second shelf, you know, it's organized. And then we have all the good ass condiments with my little carrots that I stuck there. What else? Okay, let's open this. Freezer. There's not much going on in here. Frozen ice creams. We got some produce, meat up here. Fresh meat. We have some frozen hot dogs. We have a bunch of ice creams. Like this is Ice Cream Village popsicles, creamsicles. A nice box of Klondikes. We got some hors d'oeuvre, Baton Rouge French onion soups. Okay. We got some Smokies. Okay. We literally have everything. Ice cream sandwiches, like colossal shrimps. And those are good. And then we have like 2 other boxes up here. What else? We have some beef medallions. We just bought these shrimps. White Pacific shrimps. Gonna make good dinners with those. Okay, what else? So this. Oh, I love pogos, so I'm gonna have a pogo right now. I'm hungry. 1 minute in the microwave and your pogo's fucking ready. And I eat them plain. Something weird like that. But I like a plain pogo. Pogo's ready. Oh my god. Oh my god, so hot. We got some macaroni and cheese, lasagna, Michelina, some Healthy Joy's Power Bowls. We got salmon locks. And those are good. We got smoothie stuff. I need my smoothie fruits. We got tons of those. We got stuff. Let's see what else. Some veggies for Blue. Blue's gotta eat vegetables. Blue really loves these, so I give them to him. Fresh box. Right there. Lentil cranberry salad. My favorite chocolate. Lindt Swiss Classic Hazelnut. Some good old Italian sausages. Yum. Non-GMO. Love. Some Babelle's Baby Bell. Don't know how it's called, but the best Greek yogurt ever. And some Wheat Thins. This time I got a small milk just because we just don't drink a lot. And a cucumber for salad. So I'm done. I showed you enough, you know. Wasn't that bad. We saw a couple of rotten tomatoes, rotten lemons, but you know, life's good. That's about it. So, okay guys, so that was my what's in my fridge video vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. It's free 99. So go ahead. And with that being said, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye now.